Alright, well you guys asked for it. You guys wanted some more truck content. I'm gonna try to give you guys some truck content. Hope you guys like that little B-roll sequence I just came up with on the fly. The tool bag I just dropped here, bringing stuff into the shop. Thought, let's see if I can make a cool little B-roll sequence. Hopefully it was cool. We're gonna be taking apart the grill, upper bumper pad, and then the bumper, because we have a new bumper. That bumper is damaged. It's got a nice dent in it. It's been there forever. We got this bumper here. It's not new, but it's new to me, and it's pretty much in perfect condition. We're gonna go ahead and try to get that one on. We're leaving it chrome right now because it is all gonna get wrapped. Everything is gonna be wrapped on the truck except for like the grill and the bottom, like plastic piece down there. Mirrors will not be wrapped. Door handles won't be wrapped, but like everything else body panel wise, bumper, upper bumper pad, rear bumper, not the plastic part but the metal part, and the full body will be wrapped. I noticed there was lots of shakiness in the camera. I apologize for that. I had just picked up the camera and started filming. I always forget that this lens does not have any image stabilization. So I have to have it on a gimbal if I want to do handheld, like vlog style shots like this. Anyway, back here working on the truck again. I got the bumper started, ripped apart the old bumper and started putting the new one back together the other day. Gonna finish that up, get the bumper back on the front end there. And then from there, I also have this fender in paint, just painted that fender. Also, since last video, got the new windshield in. So we have a new windshield. Well, that's looking minty. Still have the stickers on it. That's one step closer to passing safety here in Manitoba. But yeah, let's get to work here. Let's get this truck back together. Truck, get this thing back installed, and then it is a matter of painting that new grill that I got and putting the upper bumper pad and new grill back in. Front end is complete then. Got to put the fender liners in. We're gonna get this thing up front onto the truck right now. Well guys, there you have it. Bumper's on. Looks really good actually, other than the fact that it's chrome. The other bumper did have a slot. I'm not planning on keeping this bumper for like years. It is a temporary solution. I got it for free, so I couldn't say no to that. The reason I'm not putting the top part of the bumper, the top upper bumper pad, whatever you want to call it, on, and the grill is I have a new grill, well, also used, doing a custom paint job on it. So what is chrome will be going white, color match to the truck, and then the black, matte black, textured black from factory piece of the actual grill you would call it, that is going to be going gloss black. So I think that'll be a clean look on this truck. Gonna get that done next week, put that in, I'll film that. We'll use that as another video, as I say second video, but this is like video, I think 5 or 6 of the truck rebuild. This one's probably shorter than most of them, but it's just, you need to get this bumper done. So, yeah, next video we'll probably be doing finishing up the front end, and then it's a matter of exhaust and a few other little things, and then she's ready to go get a safety. So, shouldn't be that long before we're ready for a safety, and I'll keep you guys in tune with what happens there. We'll probably do a video on the safety, if it passes the first time or if it doesn't, and then we'll do follow-up of doing whatever repairs we have to do yet to be able to pass safety. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts on the truck and on my video style, I guess you could say. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, please. Peace.